Like if you found the video valuable. Evelyn Marks had always believed stories found their writers, not the other way around. So when she spotted a dusty, old typewriter sitting forgotten in a pawnshop window, she felt a tug in her chest. Its ivory keys were yellowed, the paint chipped, yet something about it seemed to hum with a strange magnetic pull. "You want that old thing?" the shopkeeper asked, raising an eyebrow as she carried it to the counter. "No one's touched it in years." Evelyn smiled faintly. "Maybe it's just waiting for me." At home, she cleared her desk and set the typewriter down. She rolled in a fresh sheet of paper, fingers hovering above the keys. To her surprise, the machine almost seemed eager, the keys pressing down smoothly as if greased by unseen hands. Words appeared on the page, sharp and deliberate. "It was raining the night she disappeared." Evelyn frowned. She hadn't typed that. She lifted her hands away, heart thudding. The keys clattered again, on their own. Her name was Claire Whitfield. Age 21. Last seen at the Bellamy Hotel, room 6B. Evelyn froze. She knew that name. Claire Whitfield had vanished without a trace in 1952. The case was famous in the city, often cited as one of its great unsolved mysteries. By midnight, Evelyn's desk was buried in pages. The typewriter rattled out police details, witness accounts, things never made public. Each sheet ended with the same line: "The truth is still waiting." The next morning, Evelyn took the pages to the library archives. The details matched the case file exactly, down to the color of Claire's dress, the arguments overheard in the hotel lobby, even the smell of cigar smoke witnesses recalled. How could it know all this? Evelyn whispered to herself. For 3 nights, the typewriter continued, spilling out the grim story. Claire had been lured to the Bellamy Hotel by a man promising to help her publish her poetry. Instead, she was trapped, silenced, and buried beneath the floorboards of room 6B. Evelyn's hands shook as she read the latest page. Her killer kept a journal. "It lies hidden still, behind the wainscoting of the hotel. Find it, or she will never rest." Evelyn didn't believe in ghosts, but something about the typewriter demanded action. The following evening, she booked herself into the Bellamy Hotel, requesting room 6B. The receptionist gave her a strange look but handed over the key. The room smelled of mildew and polish. Evelyn placed her bag down, the silence heavy around her. She searched the walls, knocking gently, until she heard a hollow sound near the bed. With trembling fingers, she pried the wooden paneling loose. There it was, a leather-bound notebook, yellowed with age. She flipped it open and nearly dropped it. Each page was a confession, written in a cruel, elegant hand. The killer had detailed his crime, mocking the police for never catching him. Evelyn snapped photographs with her phone, relief washing over her. But just as she turned, she saw it, the faint outline of a figure in the mirror. A woman, pale and gaunt, her eyes filled with sorrow. "Claire Whitfield," Evelyn gasped. The figure pointed, not at the journal, but at the door. A warning. Footsteps echoed in the hall. Heavy, deliberate, someone was coming. Evelyn snatched the notebook and stuffed it into her bag. The doorknob rattled violently, then stilled. Silence. She fled the hotel that night, her heart hammering, certain someone had been waiting for her to uncover the truth. The next morning, police reopened the Whitfield case with the evidence she provided. The city's papers ran the headline, "Lost Journal Solves 70-Year Mystery." Evelyn was hailed as a hero. Yet when she returned home, the typewriter sat waiting on her desk. A fresh page already in the carriage. Slowly, the keys began to move. The story isn't over. Evelyn stared, dread curling through her veins. The typewriter clacked louder, faster, until the final words slammed onto the page. "Now, it's your turn."